What if I told you कि एक फ्रेग्रेंस उन चीज़ों को याद रख सकती है जो आप कब का भूल चुके हो? This is where my story begins. This is not just a perfume review channel. This is a space where fragrance become memories and memories find their voice. And this is my first step into sharing that with you. सच कहूँ, ये जर्नी कैमरा से स्टार्ट नहीं हुई थी, ना ये कंटेंट क्रिएट करने के थॉट से हुई थी. इट स्टार्टेड विद कॉन्वर्जेशंस, स्मॉल, अनप्लान, डीपली पर्सनल कॉन्वर्जेशन विद माई फ्रेंड्स and with people I love. Somewhere between those conversations, I realized something about myself. I don't just like perfumes, I feel them. And that feeling stayed. If I had to go back to where it all truly began, I would go back to a phase of my life that means a lot to me. My time in Delhi. Delhi, for me, was not just a place, it was a phase of growth, uncertainty, learning, and becoming. I was discovering things about life, about myself, about the world around me. And in between all of that, I discovered fragrances. There was someone very close to me, I'm telling you, someone I truly cherish who loved perfumes. Watching them, seeing how they carried a fragrance and how it became a part of their presence. That's where it started for me. पहले सिर्फ क्यूरियोसिटी थी, न्यू परफ्यूम्स ट्राई करना, रैंडम बॉटल्स लेना और स्लोली एक कलेक्शन बिल्ड करना. बिफोर दैट फेज, perfumes were just scents to me. Something you wear, something that smells nice, and something that fades away. But after that, they became emotions, they became memories, and they became the silent storytellers in my life. Every fragrance started holding a moment, a feeling, a memory I didn't want to lose. For me, perfumes become a safe place. जब मैं लो फील करती हूँ मैं परफ्यूम लगाती हूँ, जब मैं खुश होती हूँ मैं परफ्यूम लगाती हूँ, एंड जब मुझे कॉन्फिडेंट फील करना होता है तो भी मैं परफ्यूम लगाती हूँ. क्योंकि एक सिंगल स्प्रे के बाद मैं सिर्फ प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में नहीं होती हूँ. आई एम ट्रांसपोर्टेड. I am transported to the time when I bought it, the reason I bought it, the feeling I had when I first experienced it, and for a few seconds, I get to live that moment all over again. This is what I love, and this is what I hold on to, and this is what I want to share with you. Because for me, perfumes are not about notes or longevity alone. They are about stories. And if there is one fragrance, one bottle that started this entire journey for me, it is this. This is Zara Ruby Berry's perfume. This fragrance hold a place in my heart that no other bottle ever could. It was launched in 21 and now it's discontinued. But to me, it is timeless. This wasn't just my first perfume, it was the first perfume ever gifted to me by someone I love the most. And that alone makes it irreplaceable. It came into my life during a defining phase when I was in Delhi, immersed in my studies, growing, learning, and trying to find my way. Today, this bottle is no longer perfect. The leather has faded, the edges are worn, and it clearly shows the passage of time. But that is exactly what makes it beautiful to me. Because those imperfections, they're not flaws, they are proof. They are proof of moments lived, of love felt, of memories created. And this was the bottle that made me realize that perfumes truly mean to me, that they are not just something you wear, they are something you experience, something you feel, and something you remember. And maybe that's why I never thought perfumes would become a part of my identity, but somehow they did. It just feels right. It feels natural to talk about them, to understand them, and to share them. And even before this, I used to describe perfumes to my friend as well. Not in technical terms, but in feelings. And now I want to do the same here. Yes, I will review perfumes, and yes, I will talk about notes, longevity, and projection also. But more than that, I will tell you the stories they hold. Because I truly believe The essence of perfume is not just in how it smells, but in what it makes you feel. I personally find myself drawn into certain notes, that is vanilla, musk, amber, and that's another thing I want to explore here as well. That how different fragrances shape different versions of us. Because sometimes a perfume is not just something you wear, it's who you become. And this channel, this space, is my way of sharing that journey with you. A journey of sense, of memories, of emotions, of stories, and maybe somewhere along the way, you will find a fragrance that feels like you, or a story that feels like your own. क्योंकि कभी कभी सबसे इम्परफेक्ट चीज़ें सबसे रियल इमोशंस होल्ड करती हैं और कभी कभी एक सिंपल सी फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत कुछ कह जाती है एंड दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग and I'm really glad you are here. Also, you can share your thoughts as well. I would love to see that. See ya. Take care.